Ni ishara ya minista wa ugiteri wa thiini Kipchumba Murkomen kaunti-ini ya Tana River umuthio kuria Murkomen atwarithitie miario yake ya gutetera thirikari akimitaburukia ta thirikari etheretio taira nwega kurirwo maitho ni thu cia kiuteti iria irenda kumigarura mugaru na gatiba. Ona gutuika mirurungano ya kumenereria thirikari ikoretwo igitabanio kumana na mang'uri ma Kenya, Murkomen aiteka gukirira mwaho wa mung'ethaniro akiuga ateti a mung'ethaniro nio kihumo kia mirurungano ino riu agitariria ate gutire kindu ta mirurungano ya Gen Z otiganya na keirira rurungana thutha wa kuhonio ni ateti.
There was no maandamano, there was no protest, there was no picketing. It was only looting and violence that was meted on innocent civilians, their shops, that was meted on police and police stations. That was an attempted coup, an act of terrorism.
Haha kehita ati karotho wa thirikari ndikwirorera ringi ceceni cia borithi githarikirwo na gucinwo riu akiuga cieko ici iring'ethanagirwo nacio hatari tha kuona irakinyanirio ona itanya ria kurehe migayukano na uteti wa gayukano.
Police station navamiwa, sijui polisi anafukuzwa kama umbwa. Hiyo ni nchi bado iko na constitutional order. That is not acceptable. It is unbelievable that in particular areas of the country, some political actors organized goons to invade police stations. And yet, some people are still pontificating and giving excuses of cousins and shares and regions and tribalism. That is not acceptable.
Kuna minista uyu nierega gukirirwo ni miario yake ya kuga rurungani aria makuhiriria ceceni cia borithi mahuragwo rithathi umuthi athie na mbere na gwitetera akiuga we tiwe wa mbere kwaria miario ta ino na ugu arokirirwo hatari gitumi.
Mimi sio wa kwanza kusema hiyo. Ukiwa umeketi katika ofisi yenye niko nayo, Waziri Matiang'i alisema namna hiyo, Rais Uhuru Kenyatta alisema vile nimesema, alafu wanataka kusema ati ikikuwa ni Murkomen ati ni makosa nikisimama kusema lazima polisi walindwe na maisha yao ilindwe. Tuwache bana madharau ndogo ndogo.
Mwena-ini wake mubunge wake Harũndĩndĩ Nyoro ni okiririe thirikari kumana na hathara mirurungano-ini akiuga thirikari ni ibatairie gukuithio murigo wa ikuo wici na nguraro hindi ya mirurungano makiria muthi wa Sabasaba.
We can see through the lies. We can see through and we know for sure either the government was involved or it abetted those crimes and criminalities. Siku ya Monday ni serikali peke yake ilikuwa inalinda mabarabara zetu zote. Kama ni serikali ililinda mabarabara, wale walipita kuchoma mali ya watu walipita wapi?
Akeri ari mwena wa Wajegi kiharo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ndideugite ruhonge rwa ugacero rwa NIS niruo rubatie gucokia ciuria cia maundu maria mahanikite megie ngahiha akiuga ruhonge ruru niruo rubatie kumenya mogwati mothe maria mangigomera bururi na kwaga gwika uguo ni kuonania hari kiihu kiumbikitwo hari riboti iria thirikari iraheana.
Na pesa ya Wakenya hatutakubali itumike ati serikali yenyewe ndio inaleta narratives za kugawanya Wakenya. Kama mtu anataka watu wagawanyike, aende agawanye kwake, sio kwa Wakenya. We cannot afford to feed the government that continues to divide Kenyans, to segregate other Kenyans, and to make mayhem on the people of Kenya. We can see through your eyes.
Hadi Nyakaweme TV leteroko ni Bataro wa Mwagi.